Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear and a good deal. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, iPod adapter, adaptive cruise control, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2018 C-HR. The Toyota C-HR's fresh design make it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The C-HR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, power mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, FWD, headlights auto off, steering wheel controls, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.